Hello friends, welcome to my video. If this is your first time to my channel, I'll say welcome. I am Jen and I do lots of clothing unboxing videos between subscription boxes like Stitch Fix to shopping hauls, and then even within the subscription boxes I like to do a wide array of types of boxes. So Stitch Fix is obviously the most well-known box out there, but I also like to do some lesser well-known boxes. And I also love finding more affordable type boxes, whether they be resale or type brands you might find in a mall or something like that. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. I would love to have you. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. Very much appreciate it. It is 6 a.m. right now, so if I fall asleep on camera, I apologize. So let's go ahead and get into this. So Stitch Fix, if you do not know what Stitch Fix is, I'll go through it real quick. You get 5 items sent to you in the mail by a stylist based off of a style profile and perhaps a note that you write your stylist. Keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. You have 3 days to try on these items and make your decision what you don't want back in the mail, and that's pretty much it. Oh, you can choose what frequency you want, between 2 to 3 weeks, every month, every 3 months, or just as needed. I am on the 2 to 3 weeks, but recently I've been scheduling it to come a little bit sooner. So that's the basic of it. I will put my referral link below if you would like to try it. So far I've had 0 people try my referral link, so why not be a pioneer and try Jen's referral link? That'd be fantastic. So, oh, Style Pass. I got a Style Pass, guys. I've been complaining in my last video about not getting a Style Pass, and I finally got it. I had sent a couple notes to customer service saying, hey, I'm interested in the Style Pass. I'm interested because it's the idea of paying 20 bucks per box minimum is just like, ugh, it's a little overwhelming. And I've sent back a couple boxes where I didn't buy anything. So there goes 40 bucks because 20 bucks each. So I've been rejected twice, and then just randomly they're like, hey, you've been selected. Would you like this? And yes, I would. So for $49, I now get as many fixes as I want, which means I will get probably as many as I can because it's fun, and now it's risk-free. So I will feel free to send back everything if I don't want anything and not feel so bad because I'm not wasting any money anymore. So, yay! Alright, let's get into this. The only thing that I requested of my stylist this time was I just wanted casual. I've been so focused on building up my work wardrobe that when I actually have a day where I'm trying to dress super casual, I don't have anything to wear. So I said, let's try some casual pieces to switch it up. Also, I make sure pretty much every day I go out to their site and I do the thumbs up, thumbs down on, basically there's like a style roulette type thing where you choose thumbs up or thumbs down on different style items. They want to know what you like, so I make sure to do that. I know that Stitch Fix heavily relies on algorithms to kind of come up with a basic box, and then I think your stylist can customize it from there. But I try to get the algorithm to work towards me. I'm constantly updating my style profile, and then now I'm out there on the style roulette every day. And even I'm going to start updating the style profile for what type of box I want. So if I want more casual, I'm going to update that not only in my note, but I'm going to update that profile to say, hey, send me mostly casual and don't send me business. And then the next time I do a fix, I'll say, hey, send me mostly business casual, you know, that type of thing. So I'm really trying to get this algorithm to work for me. Because frankly, honestly, with my stylist, I don't know that I get a ton of personalization that other people do, but I can't bring myself to ask for a new stylist because it seems mean, and I can't do it. So anyways, I did peek at this box. I never do that. I think this is the first time I've ever done that with Stitch Fix, but I had a moment at work where I was waiting for a report to run, and I didn't want to start something new, and so I peeked. So I'm not going to say how I feel about anything, but I'm not going to also pretend like, oh, I didn't know this was coming. Okay, that was a lot of introduction. Let's just get into this. As always, they send you a mailer. I love that Stitch Fix uses the USPS because I can just stick it in my mailbox. They send you your style card to show you how to style each piece, a note from your stylist, and then the prices. I will go over all that at the end. And time to get to the good part. Okay, my bundle. Okay, there's some colors in here, some stripes. Okay, let's dig into this. I don't know why I'm studying this so intently. Oh, one of the updates I made on my style profile is I did take off the request that they not send me any florals. Because I do find there are some floral things that I do like. It's just very limited and I'm very picky. But I decided not to restrict that anymore. So hopefully, you know, I'm excited. There's one item in here that looks like it's got some floral on it. So I at least didn't get a box full of florals. I would have been rather disappointed if I had. So, okay. Here we go. First off, we have this green tank. It's a racerback type tank. And it has a tie on the side. And it is green. And it's a decently thick tank, and I really like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Then we have Jen's favorite, stripes. It is a 3/4 sleeve. It's a really soft material. The cuffs here have the stripes going a different direction. V-neck. I love stripes, so you can't go wrong there, in my opinion. Okay, next we have this red dress. It's cinched in the waist. It has some blue and white flowers on it. And it's just a cute, basic dress. I think this would be a good one for work with a white blazer or white cardigan or something like that. So that's very cute and summery. Try not to use the word cute so much. I say that all the time because I don't know how to describe clothes. I'm not good at this. But we have this gray cardigan. It's just kind of a drape front here. There are not pockets. Okay, now I really don't need a gray cardigan. I got one, I think in my first fashion box. So, unless this is like amazing for some reason, most likely I won't be keeping it. But it is nice and soft, and I love cardigans. And then last but not least, we have a pair of joggers, I think. Yeah, I think these are joggers. They are elastic here at the end. They're actually, they're a really light yoga pant type material with a tie waist here, elastic and tie waist here. So, okay, I did have a pair of joggers pinned on my Pinterest. So I've been interested in trying some. They do have pockets, which is oh so important. So, okay, you know, a couple of casual items in here, which is different for me and I love, so I can't wait to try this stuff on. Okay, first up we have the green tank and the joggers. First of all, trying on a comfy outfit like this at 6 a.m. just makes me want to crawl back in bed. This is just, this is comfy, very comfy. The tank is really cute. I really like it. I like the thickness. It feels really good quality. I like the tie on it because it just makes it, it's a cute detail. I didn't change bras, but this is the back of it. I like it. I like it a lot. So it'll just depend on the price. The joggers, oh, these feel amazing. Just amazing. I just want to go back to bed and wear these and never take them off and never go back to work. So that's good or bad. Now, the issue with these is the length, as it always is with me. I got a lot of extra material here at the bottom, which they're joggers, so, you know, they do stop at a certain spot, but then I just have a bunch of fabric that spills over. Are petite joggers a thing? Is that a thing? I don't know. That's my only hesitation, is they are quite long. So, I love the stripes. I love the 3/4 length sleeves. I'm not a big dolman top person, because I just feel like there's just always a lot of extra flat fabric in weird places. This one is just kind of okay with me. I know it's supposed to be like this, but it's okay. I prefer a top that's more fitted up here and flows out than flowy to tighter. I don't know. So, okay, let's try the dress and cardigan next. I don't know. They feel amazing. I love that they have pockets here in the back, pockets in the front. They feel really good. Okay, let's try on the striped top next. Okay, last up we have the dress and cardigan. So cardigan is cute and comfortable, and the sleeves aren't drastically too long or anything like that. I like the drape front. I think it's cute. See, I keep saying cute. I like it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I feel like it fits well and it's comfortable. The dress fits well, very comfortable, very cute, nice and summery. Bra friendly. Bra friendly is huge because I don't necessarily have to wear something over it, and I can wear a regular bra, which is fantastic. So I really like the dress. I don't know that I love the floral on it, but I don't hate it. So we'll see. I'm gonna go try on that other the cardigan I got from Fashion now, so you guys can see what that looks like. So this one, and I already had the sleeves rolled up on this one, is a lot more lightweight. It's not as cute, like it doesn't have the cute draping that this other one had. But I mean, how many gray long cardigans does a girl need? Okay, let's recap. Okay, let's go over the stylist note and then the pricing sheet. So first off, stylist note. I've had Tara since fix 2, and this is now fix number 9. So she says, "Hi Jennifer, happy fix day. I hope you are having a fabulous week. I'm so glad you enjoyed your last fix. Today's fix is all about casual and easy go-to pieces that are sure to have you looking fabulous. I was able to snag you a great pair of jogger pants in black. These are a classic staple. Pair with the 41 side knot top and finish with a denim jacket for an athleisure look. The red French gray dress is a great option when you're wanting to look cute and stay comfortable. Layer with the gray cardigan for a casual vibe. Stripes are always a timeless and classic piece for your wardrobe, so I've included the dolman top. Have fun. I can't wait to hear what you think. Are there any fall favorites you have in mind? Maybe a nice pair of booties? Let me know. Until next time, XO Tara." Okay, so thank you, Tara. So let's do the prices. Okay, to go through the prices, we have the French gray Evelyn brush knit dress in red, and that is $48. Love brush knit. Every time something says brush knit, that means super comfortable. I actually literally don't know what it means, but I know it's comfortable. $48 is a good price for a dress from Stitch Fix. I have a lot of dresses. I don't know that I need more, but I'm definitely considering this because it fits well, super comfortable, easy to throw on to wear to work or church or wherever. So this may end up being a keeper. The jogger pant this is by T4T. It is the Annie Drawstring jogger pant, and it is $44. This is ridiculously comfortable jogger pant. Like, There's not many things that as soon as I put it on, I just want to crawl into bed, and this was it. My only hesitation with this is just, it was so long that I had all this fabric folding over the elastic at the bottom. But I don't know, if I wore this at home a lot, I really wouldn't give it care. But then I also have a lot of really comfy pants that I wear at home. So, I don't know. This is the Kearney Dolman top, and it is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne, and is $36. That's a decent price for sure. I just didn't love it. I'm not a Dolman top fan, so I will not be keeping that. This cardigan is by Cotton Emporium. It is the Mary Beth Waterfall cardigan, and is $38. That's a great price for a cardigan from Stitch Fix. I'm really happy about that. Don't really need it. I don't know. I'm having a hard time parting with it, especially when it's $38. And I could wear it to work a lot. I mean, I can't wear the same cardigan to work 5 days a week, but if I've got multiples, man, this is hard. Okay. And then this tank here is by 41 Hawthorne, and it is the Verulan side knot knit top, and it is $44. I love this top. I would love to keep it. But $44 is a lot for a tank. I know it's a nice material. It does have the side knot detail, but still, that's kind of a lot. I'm really conflicted. Go over the totals here. So the total for the whole box is $210. The buy all discount, which is 25% off, it takes off $52.50. My order subtotal would be $157.50 for all 5. I do have the $49 credit this time because of the Style Pass. I forgot to mention that the Style Pass does get credited to anything you purchase. So if I wanted to buy all these things right now, it would be $108.50, which is awesome. Guys, I don't know what to do. So I think my keepers will end up being this dress, and I'm gonna have to try this on again, but I have a feeling I'm gonna be keeping this cardigan as well. I will let you guys know for sure in the description what I ended up keeping, because I'm just very conflicted about all of the things. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I post. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.